Hi and welcome to VidTechy YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to get thousands of subscribers on YouTube fast. So we're going to share our personal experience. Now our VidTechy channel has around 3,000 subscribers. So how do we initially get the subscriber? That is actually 2 steps. So one is by reaching the channel organically and another one is by using YouTube paid ads. So usually in order to make the subscribers, first we need to create good content. So that is the first step. This is the first step we need to follow. Then we need to optimize the YouTube video. Then another one, after we post the video on YouTube, we need to share the YouTube videos on all social media. Then we need to engage our audience. Then we need to be consistently uploading the videos to YouTube. So to make this process fast, personally what we did is, this is our personal experience. So first we decided on our target audience. So our niche is mainly based on YouTube marketing. So we decided on our target audience. Then we optimized our own YouTube channel for the target audience. Then we focus on the video content and we paid using YouTube ads to get first 600 subscribers to increase our channel strength. So that now we can be able to get ranking for some highly competitive keywords easily. So here's these 5 steps, so everyone is telling how to do them. Now we're going to see how to use YouTube paid ads to get initial subscribers faster. So please note, don't use any other cheap paid service, because it may lead to a ban on your channel. So use only YouTube paid ads. So how to start YouTube paid ads? So go to Google Ads, click Google Ads, and sign up with your Google Ad account. If you don't know how to start a Google Ad account, we have a video for this. Please check that video to start. How to start the Google Ads. So once you log into your Google Ads, this is the dashboard you can see. So click New Campaign. Then click Campaign. Create a campaign without goal guidance. Then choose a video for our campaign, because we're going to increase the subscriber for our channel. So we need to choose the video campaign. Then here choose Custom Video Campaign. Then click Continue. So once we click Continue, this is the page we need to do. So the first thing is campaign name setups. How to make a campaign name properly. So we're going to increase the subscriber, right? YouTube channel subscribers. Then I'm going to target Tier 1 countries. So Tier 1 country, then this is in feed ads. So previously, the in-feed ads are called video discovery ads. So this naming convention how to do. We have an ebook. So it is free, completely free to read the ebook. So it's from everything about YouTube marketing. So this is free, you can download it in the description section. So here see what we are personally doing for our own purpose and for our clients. We are clearly mentioned in this ebook. So if you have any doubts, please refer to this ebook. Okay, so this is the campaign name we are giving. Then click the bid strategy. Just leave it as max CPV. Then for the budget, click daily budget. So maybe $5. So you can try to start with a minimum of $5 and you can rise you during the scaling time. You can rise your campaign budgets. It totally depends on you. Then please make sure you just click edit and choose the end date. Because if you are not choosing the end date, Google will keep on charging the $5. So if you forget, then there is no chance. So we need to make sure the end date is very important. You need to choose the end date here. Then scroll down in the network section, click here, then uncheck this video partners on display network, because this is not the traffic from YouTube. So we need to uncheck this, then the location. So I'm going to target Tier 1 countries, so this is the tier countries. If you want to add any new countries, you can click here like Canada, Australia, etc. So you can choose your location depending upon your target countries. You can enter here and choose the countries here. So we are focusing on Tier 1 countries. Then scroll down and you can choose the language here. For this demo, I'm going to leave it blank, because basically, we are targeting the English-speaking country. So I just leave it as it is. Then these 2 parts. The content exclusion and related videos, I will show you shortly. Then just click additional settings. Here you need to click the device, unclick the specific targeting device, and uncheck this TV screen, because from the TV screen, no one can subscribe to your channel. So just uncheck this TV screen, then rest. All leave as it is. Then add the group name. So what are the ad groups names? So I'm going to target all age groups and gender, as well as I'm going to target people on target videos and channels. So this is the demographic. So depending upon your use, you can uncheck this. But for this specific campaign, just leave it as it is, because we're going to increase our subscribers. Then audience segment, leave it as it is. This is the targeting option, the keyword topics, and the placement for this campaign. We're going to target on placement. So how we're going to target? By targeting the channels here. So how to target the YouTube channel? So let's say you want to choose YouTube marketing. So you can choose here, so from here you can able to research everything. It is very hard to research at the same time. If you want to target YouTube videos, you need to choose here. So I will use the tool called VidTechy. VidTechy is all-in-one solution for YouTube marketing. Sign up VidTechy for free and takes your YouTube marketing to the next level. So once you sign up with VidTechy, we have ads tools, so we have a section under the ads tool. We have the option to find the target videos, channel, everything. So within a matter of a click, I can be able to scrap hundreds of videos. So my target keyword is YouTube marketing. Then here you can choose the limit. So for this example, I'm going to choose 20 and then click search. So once you click search, you can able to get all the target channels and all the statistics in a matter of clicks. So just you can select all and copy the video URL easily. And you can able to use it in your video campaign. So for entering multiple keywords, you just need to enter them here and you can paste them. The multiple you can paste them here. So within a matter of click, I can able to copy all the targeted videos here. So same thing. If you want to target multiple YouTube channels, then go to the target channel and put your target channel and click search. Then you can be able to get all the channels that are related to YouTube marketing. So click select all, copy channel URL. Then you come campaign here. Then paste it here. So within a matter of clicks, we can able to add 41 placements for this campaign. So just scroll down. Then here you need to choose your video. So which video we are going to use. So you can directly give your video URL, or you can search for it from here. So I'm going to choose to promote this video. How to choose a YouTube channel name? So this one. So this is the main section for different goals. We had a different option for this particular campaign. We going to target means for our campaign goal is to increase the subscriber. To increase the subscriber, we need to choose the in-feed video ads. You need to choose this in-feed video ad. The skippable in-stream ad is for sales and another purpose. So for this campaign, we need to choose in-feed video ads. What are in-feed video ads? So if someone searches here, it will show the result here or at the sideway here. So if someone searches for a keyword, how to choose a YouTube channel, then YouTube shows our ads here and the sideway. So just we need to choose infinity video ads. Then here we need to click the headline. So how to choose the YouTube channel name and then the description. So you need to give the headline description, thumbnail, everything. So it will show here. Then this is the ad creation. You can give an ad creation name. So whatever the name, you just follow our naming instructions here to choose the name. Then here the bidding strategy is, so the minimum we need to give above 0.09. So I can give for 10 cents. So that's it, just click create a campaign. So once you click create campaign, it will show like here it is, congratulations, your campaign is ready. So meaning Google will live the campaign in a few hours. Okay, before I told you about this, right? So this is the content exclusion section. By default, you don't need to do anything. Leave the default setting for this content exclusion. If you want to exclude some content, how to do this? Just go to Tools and Settings, then click Content Suitability. So once you click Content Suitability, then here you can able to choose which one is for your inventory type. So by default, it is recommended. So it's good to go with choose the standard inventory type. Then this is the advanced section. If you want to exclude some content, keyword, then you can add it here. You can exclude the content here by clicking this with your excluded content. The same thing for exclude placement. Like if you don't want to show your ads for a particular channel or video, you can exclude the things here. So this is mainly for content exclusion. So by default, just leave it as it is. So once the campaign is live, then we can able to get the subscriber from our YouTube ads. Then please make note that let's say if we go for YouTube monetization with paid ads, the video watch time will not count for channel monetization. So using the paid ads, our main goal is to raise the subscriber for our channel. So this is the way you can able to generate the subscriber on YouTube fast with YouTube paid ads. So actually remember that getting 1,000 subscribers takes time and effort, so please don't get discouraged. Then this strategy, the ad strategy, is working for all types of niches. But some niches get subscribers organically very fast, but some may get slow, so it totally depends on your own niche. So if you need any support or anything, feel free to contact our support VidTechy. Then before I end up the video, I will show my channel statistics. So this is the VidTechy channel statistics. So once you click the advanced mode, then go to the traffic source. Then see here most of the 85% of the traffic, the sources come from search term, meaning if someone searches on YouTube for how to create a YouTube channel name, then our video will show them. So for more details about other YouTube types and campaign goals, we will show you in different videos. Please stay tuned with us. I hope you enjoy the video. If you want to see more videos about YouTube marketing, subscribe to our YouTube channel VidTechy. Thanks for watching.